gonna find out how to cope with living on your